Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see from the title, green beans, also known as yard long beans, especially in the Caribbean, also known as Bora. In today's video, I will share with you how to put this recipe together in a little time. So friends, these are some of the ingredients that you're going to need. 2 pounds of chicken, thoroughly clean, skin has been removed, mixed spices, oil, and caramel blend green seasoning. And also a combination of mixed veggies, which can be of choice. So first thing first, we're going to go ahead and season our chicken in a bit of oil, caramel blend green seasoning, and also my mixed spices. As always, you can easily prep your ingredients overnight for better taste and result. So friends, if you're new to my channel, as always, please consider subscribing for some of our latest content, and also be sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook, and be sure to like. So friends, when it comes to marinade, your caramel blend green seasoning makes a big difference. Basically a mixture of thyme, pepper, garlic, anything that you enjoy using. You certainly can blend it up and you get that lovely seasoning. So friends, once fully mixed, next you want to go right ahead and add a bit of chopped garlic and also grated ginger. And also before cooking, you want to set aside for 20 minutes. So friends, after fully chopped and washed, these are my yard long beans, also known as string beans, or in the Caribbean, also known as Bora, which has been fully washed and cleaned. So first, to kick things off, in a heated pan, you want to go right ahead and add a bit of oil, chopped garlic, so friends, after a few seconds, next I'm going to go right ahead and add my chicken. So friends, here we are, looks delicious. Do keep in mind there were no water added, this has been cooking its natural juice. So I'm going to continue cooking until dissolved. So friends, for color and taste, I'm going to go right ahead and add a bit of tomato puree, also known as tomato sauce. So friends, it's been around 15 minutes or so. As you notice, majority of the chicken juice or stock has been dried out. Next, in a minute or so, I'm going to go right ahead and start adding my chopped veggies and also my green beans. So friends, after a few minutes of adding my veggies, I will go right ahead and add my chopped green beans, also known as yard beans, or in the Caribbean known as Bora. So friends, looks amazing. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add my chopped beans and cook for a few minutes. So friends, to finish it off next, I'm going to go right ahead and add some coconut milk, or also known as coconut cream. So friends, in the Caribbean, this recipe considered to be a delicacy. So friends, in today's video, I show you the simplest way you can easily put this recipe together in little time. So friends, at this point we are all done. As always, please subscribe, which will help out with the algorithm. Really appreciate it. And also, I hope you give this recipe a try, and also you feel free to leave me any message you may have below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.